Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to see the question based on kinematics for year 11 students. If you want me to make the video on any other topic, do let me know in the comment section. Let's get started. Kinematics. A particle moves in a straight line and its displacement x meter from a fixed point O t seconds after passing O is given by x is equal to 12t minus of t cube. Calculate the acceleration of the particle when it comes instantaneously to rest. The velocity of the particle when it is next to O. The distance traveled by the particle during the first 3 seconds. I need to find out the acceleration of the particle. Acceleration of the particle is given as double differentiation of the distance, because in this question you have given the distance x. First we will calculate the velocity and then we will move to the acceleration. We are solving A part first. Velocity is given as dx by dt. I need to differentiate the curve. My curve is 12t minus of t cube. If I differentiate that will be equal to, differentiation of t is 1. Differentiation of t cube is 3t square. My answer is 12 minus 3t square. That will be my velocity. My acceleration will be given as dv by dt, differentiation of velocity. That will be written as d by dt of velocity is 12 minus of 3t square. If I differentiate that, the differentiation of constant term is 0, minus 3 is constant, t square, the differentiation is 2t. My answer is negative 6t. He is asking the acceleration when it comes instantaneously to rest. Instantaneously to rest means your velocity is 0. When velocity is 0, we have to calculate the time. At that time, I need to calculate the acceleration. Let's find out the answer here. The velocity is equal to 0. Velocity is given as 12 minus of 3t square is equal to 0, which will be written as 3t square is equal to 12, which is equals to t square is equal to 4. T is equal to plus minus root 4. This gives you that t is equal to plus minus 2. Time cannot be negative. So my answer for time is equal to 2 seconds. That will be the time. At this time, I have to find out my acceleration. My acceleration is given as minus 6t. I need to calculate the acceleration at t is equal to 2. That will be equal to minus 6 times 2, which is equals to minus 12 meter per second square. That will be your acceleration for the first part. Let's see the second part here. The velocity of the particle when it is next at O. O means you are reaching to the original point O from where you started. If you reach over there, your distance is considered as 0. We have to keep our distance 0 to calculate the value for t here. Let's do the second part here. What is my distance? I have to keep the distance which is given as x. I have to put it equal to 0. My distance is 12t minus of t cube is equal to 0. Let's take out t as a common factor from here. T is common. 12 minus t square is left inside it. We have t is equal to 0 and we have 12 minus of t square is equal to 0. I need to solve that. T square is equal to 12. T is equal to plus minus root 12. T is equal to plus minus root of 4 times 3. T is equal to plus minus 2 root 3. Time cannot be negative. So my t value is written as 2 root 3 seconds. So the first value is t is equal to 0. That means when you started it. Second time is t is equal to 2 root 3. That means when he will come back to the original position O, the time will be 2 root 3. At this time, I need to calculate the velocity. What was my velocity before? My velocity will be given as 12 minus of 3t square. I need to find out the velocity at t is equal to 2 root 3, which will be written as 12 minus 3, 2 root 3 the whole square, which will be written as 12 minus 3. 2 square is 4, root 3 the whole square is 3, which will be equal to 12 minus. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 times 3 is 36. If you subtract it, your answer will be negative 24 meter per second. That will be your velocity. Velocity is negative. This shows you that you are going in the opposite direction. You are going in the negative direction. Then only you are reaching to the original position O. My third part is I need to calculate the distance traveled by the particle during the first 3 seconds. When the particle instantaneously at rest, their velocity was 0 and we find out the time as 2 seconds. That means he stopped at t is equal to 2 seconds and then he took a turn and he reached to the origin O. I have to calculate from the first 3 seconds. How much distance did he travel? When he stopped, can we calculate the distance at t is equal to 2? For that distance, the value for t is 2. I have to substitute in my distance. Let's substitute the value here. C part. My distance x is given as 12t minus of t cube. I need to find out the distance when my time was 2 here. That will be equal to 12 times 2 minus of 2 cube, which will be equal to 24 minus 8, which will be equal to 16 meter. That will be my answer for the distance traveled when time is equal to 2. I need to calculate the distance x when t is equal to 3 also, because I have to find out the answer for 3 seconds. 12 times 3 minus of 3 cube, which will be equal to 12 times 3 is 36, minus of 3 cube is 27. 36 minus 27 is 9 meters. If we draw the diagram here, you started from O and at t is equal to 2, you have covered a distance of 16 meters. At time t is equal to 2, you took a turn and you are moving towards the origin O and you reached at the point here t is equal to 3 and you covered a distance of 9 meter from the origin O. I have to calculate the distance traveled by the particle in 3 seconds. The distance traveled is, you are starting from O, you went to 2 and from 2 you reach to 3. That means this part I need to calculate the distance. From O to t is equal to 2, the distance is 16. From t is equal to 2 to t is equal to 3, this distance is given by 16 minus 9 meters. Let's write down the total distance. Will be given as 16 plus 16 minus 9, which will be equal to 16 plus 16 minus 9 is 7. 16 plus 7 is equal to 23 meters. That will be your answer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye-bye everyone.